guys! So today I'm making my all-time favourite dessert, chocolate brownies.
350 grams of dark chocolate, 225 grams of butter, 400 grams of caster sugar, 5 eggs, 200 grams of plain flour, a bag of white chocolate chips.
So first we need to preheat the oven by turning it on to 160 degrees. Next, we need to melt the butter and the chocolate over a medium heat. Okay, so the chocolate and butter has melted completely. I'm going to turn off the heat and I'm going to move my saucepan over there and let it cool for a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to whisk my sugar and eggs together. So I have my caster sugar here, it's a lot of sugar, and then I'm going to crack 5 eggs, the whole eggs, into the bowl, and then I'm going to whisk it all together. Now I have an electric mixer. If you don't have an electric mixer, you can use a whisk or you can use a spoon. It will take longer, but it'll still do the same job. So you want to whisk them until they're pale, light and fluffy. Have them pale, light, and kind of fluffy. It's still liquidy. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pour the chocolate mix into this. So you're mixing it well together. You see the swirls of white and brown nicely coming together, and you want to get rid of all of the white. The next thing we do is we add in the flour. This is the mixture, and this is one of the tastiest mixtures. You can have a little taste test if you like. Really good. Now, this is totally optional. I like to throw in some chocolate chips, whatever ones I have. I didn't have any today, so I just chopped up a white chocolate bar, and I'm going to throw these in. So it's ready to go into the oven. I've got my dish here. It's lined with parchment paper again. I'm just going to pour the mixture into it and pop it into the oven. So 25 minutes is up. Let's see if the brownies are ready. They look pretty yummy. I'm just going to test with a knife to see that they're cooked through. Yep, it's okay if there's still a little bit of goo on the knife because that means they'll be nice and fudgy inside. I'm going to leave them cool for a bit. Okay, so let the brownies cool for a couple of minutes. Now the best brownie is when it's crackly on top and then gooey on the inside. So let's cut them and see what they're like. Okay, so these are still quite warm because they've just come out of the oven, so they're really hot. So I recommend serving with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. And if you let them, leave them for a couple of days, they'll still taste delicious. They'll just harden up a little bit. You can see here the white chocolate chips have melted nicely. So I'm going to go in and taste it.